Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create artwork with the blend tool on Illustrator. So I'm just going to use this hexagon and I'm just going to color it, let's say pink, and I'm actually just going to go to effects and transform it, pucker and bloat, and then I'm going to just create a flower shape. You can do any shape you want, but I'm too lazy to use a pen tool right now. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. And I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller than that. Select both, go to Object, go to Blend and Make. Go to Object, Blend, where is it? Blend options, and you can do how many ever specified steps you want. I think I'm just going to do 20 or 15. Depends on what you want to make, essentially. You can also create like a little, I don't know, center. I don't know what that's called. Oh my god, can I move this, please? Or I can't? Okay, I can. And then you can do that again with this. I'm gonna make it that small so that, I don't know, blend, make, object, blend options, specified steps. Let's do like 15 or 17. Oh, that's too much. Hello? Oh my god, I forgot blend options. Maybe let's do 5. I don't know. That's 5. Maybe 10. I don't know why it's not going to work. Okay, but that's pretty much it. Really, for this video, you can do any shapes. You can trace out something, maybe like a lion or like a bird. It's up to you what you want to make. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.